Hi, my name is Rob Lords. I'm the owner of this 2018 Tesla Model 3. I was involved in a little fender bender Saturday night. Contacted Complete Collision Center in St. James, Missouri. The drop-off was smooth and nice. They gave me a ride back home.
My name is Dylan Stringer. I'm a collision repair technician at Complete Collision Center St. James. I had the opportunity of working on Rob's 2018 Tesla, and thank you, Rob, for giving me the opportunity to work on such a cool car.
Text updates every day on the car with pictures of the progress as it went along. And it was a promised completion date on Friday. I was actually called Thursday morning for completion on it, and I come pick the car up at noon. The car looks beautiful, and I'm completely 110% satisfied with the repairs and the service that I received here at Complete Collision Center.
Hi, I'm Jim Smith, owner of Complete Collision Center. We guarantee 100% satisfaction to all of our customers.